Spear Valtryek V3 versus Hurricane Fafnir F3. First one to 3 points. I'm gonna launch Spirit and Handspin Fafnir. First battle, 3, 2, 1.
Spirit's frame is off for the battle.
Oh yeah. Ouch.
That's a lot of damage.
Yeah, that is a lot of damage. Come on, Spirit.
Draw.
Simultaneous survivor finish, a draw. Second battle. 3, 2, 1. Come on, come on. Hurricane Fafnir, 1 point for survivor finish. The score is now 1-0. Third battle. 3, 2, 1. Default. I'm gonna put the frame over here. Third battle. Come on, come on. Should I put on the frame? Him or draw?
I did not know.
I'm gonna say him. Spear Valtryek, 1 point for survivor finish. The score is now 1-1. Fourth battle, I'm gonna put on back his frame. Let's see how things turn out. Fourth battle. Ouch. Come on, come on. Hurricane Fafnir, 1 point for survivor finish. The score is now 2-1. Fifth battle. I dropped him by mistake. 3, 2, 1. Ring out. Spear Valtryek, 1 point for survivor finish. The score is now 2-2. Sixth battle. 3, 2, 1. Should we just end it?
Yes.
Spear Valtryek, 1 point for survivor finish. Valtryek wins by a score of 3-2. Thanks for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Peace. Spear out. Got something to say? Come on.
Oh, forget. Didn't.